In this video, I'm diving into a crucial topic for all interior designers and SketchUp enthusiasts. Why rendering in SketchUp, especially with extensions like V-Ray, is essential for your success. And stay tuned towards the end where I talk about the revenue boost I experienced when I started offering renders to my design clients. For those that don't know me, I'm John Kapler, founder of Focus SketchUp and co-founder of Arch Manor, a design firm I run with my wife Megan that specializes in residential interior designs and kitchen design. Okay, now that you know a bit about me, let's explore the top 3 reasons why you shouldn't skip this crucial step of rendering in your SketchUp models. First, let's talk about client engagement. Rendering your SketchUp designs with V-Ray transforms simple models into stunning, lifelike visuals. It's the difference between clients merely liking your design and then being completely wowed by it. Imagine showing a client not just a sketch or a mood board, but presenting them with a photorealistic vision of their space. Or better yet, a rendered animation. This level of detail often clinches deals, leading to increased financial returns. And when you post these renders to social media and on your website, you can attract new clients and grow your revenue. Next, let's talk about career growth. By mastering V-Ray rendering, you position yourself as an invaluable asset. It's not just about skill enhancement, it's about making yourself indispensable. This expertise can lead to job security, promotions, and even higher paying opportunities. In a field that's increasingly reliant on visual presentation, being the go-to rendering expert is a game changer. Here's a little personal story about how I did that when I first started out. I went to school for computer science, and my first job out of college, I was in charge of updating a website for a client. Now, I discovered a tool set called Tailored Controls, and these were very fancy, very polished controls to put on websites to make them look high-end. And I convinced my employer and our client to use these. And when we did that, we put them in the product, they loved it. But at that point, I was now considered the expert on that product, and I was indispensable to that company because I was the only one at the time that knew how to use that tool. So how does that relate to you guys? Well, if you are at a company that doesn't render but does SketchUp modeling, that is where you can make yourself invaluable. You can position yourself as the rendering expert, and then once your business starts making more money, people start investing more with their projects, you're bringing in new clients, that positions you as a leader, and they're gonna pay you accordingly and promote you accordingly. So that's my little story about that, but it just shows you how you can find something new, implement it into your business, and then that becomes your thing. You're the expert, and it's very hard for your company to lose you because you have that expertise. All right, so back on topic here. The last point I want to make is that rendering is about future-proofing your skills. As technology evolves, so do client expectations. Rendering isn't just a current trend, it's a staple of the design industry's future. By staying adept in V-Ray, you're preparing for advancements like AI in rendering, ensuring you stay ahead of this competitive field. All right, there you have it. 3 compelling reasons why rendering in SketchUp with V-Ray is crucial for your design success. So how has this affected my revenue with my design clients? Well, a couple of years ago, we raised our design prices across the board and included renders in every design package. To our surprise, our clients loved this, and they were willing to pay the extra money to have that extra sense of confidence that renders provide. And because of that, our revenue doubled. Now, your experience could be different, it could be more, it could be less, but for us, offering renders was a game changer. So now that you know how important renders are, what are the next steps? Well, check out the links in the description below for free resources to get you started, including information on how to join my free private Facebook group just for SketchUp and V-Ray. And for those looking to really dive deep, take a look at my focused courses on SketchUp and V-Ray. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of SketchUp, rendering, and interior design. And if you like this video, I know you're going to like this one right here. So click that, and I'll see you in the next video.